Hello friends, peace be upon you. I'm Kaiser from PS Tutelar. Color grading techniques, tips, or hacks. Different techniques will be used on different images. I will make a short video to keep it interesting and cover the topic. So, let's start the video. As it is an image in front of you, the color grading is almost correct. But, we will further improve its color grading. First, create a color balance layer. In tones, we have to select shadows. -5 will be the value of magenta. And the yellow value we will -7. Next we'll create a layer of selective color. In colors, we have to select red. Make value -17% for cyan. Make value of green to -5%. Make the value of yellow to -7%. After that select blue color. Make the value of yellow to -40%. Next we'll create a layer of exposure. We'll keep the value of exposure to +0.50. Open the exposure layer's blending options. I move the image sideways, so you can see clearly. Blend if has two sliders for the underlying layer. If you move the black slider up, keep an eye on the shadows in the image. Now we can give them a smooth transition. Press Alt and click on the slider, it will divide. Moving the right apart slider to the right will give a smooth transition. And finally you have to create a layer. We will create a hue/saturation layer here. Here we have to increase the saturation of all the colors in the image. In the master, the saturation value will be set to +15. Specially we'll select red for skin tones. And the saturation value in red will be +4. Now, you will see the difference in the image. Select all 4 adjustment layers and group them by pressing Ctrl+G. And check out the before and after image. We'll give the image up a 3D look. I zoomed in on the image a bit to show you this image before and this after. This is an easy method, nothing so difficult. Call it a hack, technique, or a method. Here is another image we will use another technique on. Consider the color of the face and hands of this model. Create a blank layer to make them the same color. Then pick the brush tool. Increase the size of the brush a little. And we'll take a sample of the midtones in the facial skin. We will soft light the blend mode of the blank layer. And now we will paint it with a brush on the hands, so that the color tone that is on the face is the same on the hands. So, it will not seem strange to you anymore. Reduce opacity to 25% for blank layer. Next, create a hue/saturation layer. And we will invert the mask of this layer by pressing Ctrl+I. Next is to take the brush tool. Make sure your foreground color is white. After that, we will start painting the hands. And the colors we hid by inverting the mask. If you paint with a brush, they will start to reveal. And you will be able to see on the mask. In this way we will reveal the color that we had hidden. Now select the layer thumbnail. Select the hand tool and click on the hands. So, it will automatically select the red color. And lightness value of +10 will do. And we'll change the saturation value to +14. Increase the hue value to +8, and now look carefully at the hands. The color of the skin of the hands is the same as the color of the skin of the face. Next we'll create a color balance layer. We will apply the hue/saturation mask to the color balance layer mask. We will move this mask up by pressing Alt. So, it will ask us the replace mask question. Here we will click on Yes. In this way we will replace the mask. Now you can adjust the color of the hands. And, in this whole adjustment depends on you. Make adjustments here keeping an eye, the skin of the hands. That is, the skin of the hands and the skin of the face should be the same color. Select all three layers and press Ctrl+G to make a group. And, this first hand color we have adjusted the hands color. And, this later the skin of the hands matching the skin of the face. I will cover only these two techniques. Methods or hacks. Hope you like these methods. In the next video, I will come with new techniques. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.